How to fix computer not turning off after clicking shut down? How to fix this? First, disconnect all external devices. Unplug all USB devices. Sometimes your computer takes a long time to shut down, caused by the conflict with a USB device. You can disconnect all external devices and USB devices like mouse, keyboard, printer, digital camera, USB flash drive, external hard drive, game consoles, etc. Next option, go to Run. Type powerkefg.cpl. Click choose what the power buttons do. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast startup. Save changes and exit. Restart your PC. Next option, go to Search. Go to CMD. Click as a Run Administrator. Type powercfg.exe/hibernate off. That's it. Hit enter and exit, and restart your PC. Click like and subscribe for more tutorial.